Excuse me, Mr. Kemani.
Yes.
This is the list of the students that were making noise.
These are the noise makers.
Yeah.
Kimbia darasani waite. Right now.
Okay.
Mbio mbio.
Excuse me, madam. I'm among the noise makers because...
No, kijana, I can understand. Maybe Brian, you are in the class, you are discussing a question, and the prefect saw you and he was like, you are speaking, you are not making noise. No, kijana. Kijana ingia hapo kwa staff room. There is a past paper, chemistry paper 2. Kijana, enda ufanye hiyo karatasi na uniletee. And call the prefect.
Sir, yes. Nasikia unaniita.
Kijana, you are among the noise makers.
I was borrowing the book, sir.
You are borrowing the book. Are you Jackson?
Yes.
Si hapa imeandikwa hata umenyamba. Unanyambia watu kwa nini?
Mwalimu ni mshute imetoka siku anajua.
Kijana, you are not only making air pollution but also